Hello? Hello? Is this Francisco Torres? This is Big O Chubbs. You won the giveaway truck. Yeah. All right, so we just chose the giveaway winner on Instagram Live. If you guys weren't there, I'll put a little clip of here of us scrolling through the names and everything, and the winner's name actually popping up. So the winner's from Los Angeles, California, Francisco Torres. Congrats to you, bro. I didn't answer. I gave him another call. He did answer, and he is actually working over here in Rialto right now. He was in shock. We're gonna see his reaction right now because he's gonna pull up right now because he doesn't believe us. So let's see what happens, and let's see how he reacts. Man, this is crazy. Giveaway number 2. Juan Juarez. I saw his name a lot too.
Okan.
Should I shuffle the names? Right. Look, it lets me shuffle.
Yeah, shuffle them.
Shuffle them.
I'm gonna shuffle them a few times.
You're shuffling them.
Look, I'm. Oh shit!
Here it goes, guys. Here it goes.
Francisco Torres.
From where?
Let me see. Let me see.
So this is for what?
You're
The
gonna
truck?
do it 3 times, so.
This is for the truck?
Los
3 times.
Angeles.
Is
3
it for the truck?
times.
No, just one.
This is 3.
No, just one.
One time?
This is the winner.
So the one-time pool?
Francisco Torres. Don't show him his address, bro.
That's why right now I'm still tripping like, nah. I'm waiting for somebody to come up like, we're joking.
Actually, I have something to bring up. There has been a lot of fake accounts made within the past few weeks that is telling random people that they won the truck. Don't believe those. This is legit. Those are not real. Yeah, man.
You think? What do you think? Look at her. You can look at her, dude.
Go around.
You can take a look. Take a
Like I
look.
said, we still got some stuff to it before you can take it or the cash, but yeah, man.
I see when you picked it up too.
How do you feel?
I'm stuck. I'm just stuck.
Do you have a truck?
Nah, I haven't had a truck in a while. The last truck, it was a 94 OBS.
94 OBS.
Yeah, OBS.
You guys want a taco?
Yeah, park the car, dude.
Oh, it's tuned though?
What do you think of your boy winning that truck, man?
He deserves a truck, you know what I'm saying?
He's all excited, huh?
Oh yeah.
He didn't believe you on the way here, or what?
Nah, he was all shell shocked, dog. Like, what's going on?
Especially he said he never wins nothing. That's always, man. That's always. Yeah, man.
They said you have to fix, or you might be able to pass it that way, but
You tripping still? It's real, man. It's real.
I need a beer right now.
Let's go. Come on.
Like,
Join us.
he told me like, hey, you
That's
know,
why we have to ID.
shit.
But you're
He
good.
said they don't do it there, but they have to send it to some other people, and they don't do it.
I give you the ID right now.
Yeah. Oh, now he pulled up. He's like, nah, not yet. No.
Boom.
Getting expensive.
Tripping. All I do is work.
Yeah, like this
Hey,
was
hey.
serious.
Hey, man, it's good.
I came over
Work
here.
pays off, man.
Man, I came over here.
His brother's cousin.
They have a shop right here on off of Riverside.
Anybody else in
a smoke shop.
At least
And they just went to the junkyard, right?
That's the thing too. When it's
So they seen
like
him on the Carlos.
that I took it to before him.
Parts, so I went over there to get my Carlos parts.
Yeah, if it's stock, you should be alright.
And I was telling them I wasn't even gonna come over here. That's why when you called, I was like, "Where you at?" I know you're from out here. I was like, "Where you at?"
Yeah.
Like, I'm right here in Rialto right now.
Yeah, the
And I just looked there like 9 minutes. I told them, "Let's go."
Literally, look, we just stopped what we were doing. I just came over here.
I know he's had to close his shop.
Yeah, because all that shit is legal. Oh yeah, see, all that shit is legal, so they shouldn't.
Damn.
Yeah.
I'll just buy you something real quick. And I didn't buy a shirt because you didn't have my size. I was like, at the time, you didn't have the size of the one that I wanted. I was like, oh, I'll look it up later.
Oh, yeah.
But then I'm always working.
Yeah.
Should be alright.
So then I seen it coming down to me.
I have it chopped off.
I'll buy it.
Oh, yeah.
And then
Yeah, some of my sister had to do that.
then I just said, royalty. I'm like, what the fuck? I'm still like, nah.
Nah, it's my cousin.
Just remember, you can still get the cash. Fix that Monte Carlo. Or whatever car you're building.
That's
The
done.
gold one on the way.
And there's more parts for that car. Don't worry about that.
He's like, no. He's like, I want it.
Yeah. Oh, but that's how hers is too. It's chopped right there.
Nah, you know how bad I've been wanting a truck?
Yeah.
Trust me.
I remember like when they first got it and shit, that's what she got it from dealer used. In the morning I turned it on.
This is
Go, man.
Ahorita ocupo la cerveza para los nervios.
Hey, where's the air freshener?
In the other car.
Oh, now you put it in?
It's in the other car.
Or you can put it with the cash. Like something.
The cash.
So the cash smells good, you know?
He's like, just take the cash.
Cash out right now.
He's like, cash out. You need
Doesn't
it.
sound pretty good. You could offer it more, bro. That's
I get random calls.
Yeah, as long as
I
it's
get
not
random
shit,
calls, and then I
you
get
know,
calls
dealer
from
shipping
work.
on it.
And I look, man, it's Sunday. I'm not working right now.
Yeah.
It is. And when I heard, and then you said my whole government, I was like, oh shit. I was like, yeah.
It's not a.
Oh, you just want me to try? Like, what? No, what? That's why I kept telling you, nah, I'm tripping right now. Nah, I'm tripping.
No, because that shit's a mission.
Man.
It's like in the valley.
all just the air freshener,
But
huh?
like these dudes are right.
That's
crazy.
all it
14 bucks,
takes.
bro. I
La-
seen
la- la-
13.59. That's what you paid.
Yeah.
13.59.
Cause I see, look,
Yeah,
I
those are like
seen,
the only
I
ones that I
seen
know
it,
that are
seen you on
like
YouTube,
GM shit like
and then what caught my attention. You were like, man, I only got like, you're like, I think you were under 10K followers or something. And you're like, I'm giving out trucks. I'm just trying out. Like, man, I'm gonna buy something from him. I'm like, that dude's cool. You know what I mean? Oh, like I'm just gonna support somebody because I don't like there ain't too many people in Cali doing that. So like, I'll support somebody in Cali. And then I'm telling you, I forgot. I literally forgot about it. Maybe I go and I put it in a car and I'm like, all right, cool. It smells good. All right. Put it in the car.
Let them know though how to smell though. How to
Which one
smell.
did you get?
I got the white one, the white truck.
What scent?
Oh man, what was
It
that?
just smelled bomb though. Huh?
Yeah,
Was it black ice?
it was black ice.
Black ice.
It was black ice.
That
I
thing sold
put
out.
it. I put it in my Honda.
Uh-huh.
In my daughter's Honda. I go here. Look, this one smells good, and it's in there still. So I was like, man, I'm tripping.
Now you gotta go home and take a picture and send it to us.
I'm tripping. I'm like, man.
Regardless of how we do the giveaways, people are still going to be saying that it's rigged. But I just want to hear your opinion of.
Man, this thing is real. I bought an air freshener. That's all I bought,
usually
man.
starts in second gear and then
Man,
second, third.
this thing's real. You need support. Support, man. Support Big Old
Man.
Chubbs. He's doing it for Cali, baby. He's doing it for Cali. He's giving it back.
Let's hear it
good.
last, right?
Man.
No, you're good. Okay, guy, go. There's a big ass dip here. Go left. Ah. I don't have any final words yet until we know that the truck's gonna be gone. So, like I said, we did offer a cash value. So we'll see. And this video is super short, but it's straight to the point. Congrats to Francisco Torres for winning. And like I said, the next one, guys, I'm gonna get you. You'll see. But peace out, everybody. TCB and. Oh man, see you guys later.